Hi, I'm Anton Aslan and today I'm at That Bike Place. It's a cool little place, just set up. I'll put a description in the link below. And the reason we're here today is I'm fitting a bucket load of stuff from R&G crash protection onto the bike. So we've got a few things to fit, but I think quite a sensible order would be going from the front to the back. So we're going to start with a fork protector. It's quite self-explanatory what it does. It's a fork protector and it protects your forks. So if it ever goes down on the road, the contact point isn't going to be all this. It's going to be on the end of this, which will keep it off the road. So they only fit on one way. They're shaped so they can only go on the right way. So that stops any wrongdoings. So it goes in this way and it's a nice snug fit, just pushes in there. And then we'll go around the other side. So hopefully now that will fit nice and snug over that, like it does. That goes there, then the washer, and then the nuts. And then we'll just tighten everything up. And it is literally simple as that. So next up, moving further back to the bike, we've got the bar ends. Now, the original ones, they're all scuffed up. Over time, worn down the paint, and it's rusted a bit. It's a bit of an eyesore. So let's take it off. It's an Allen key, and I'm guessing this is going to be quite tough. Yep, there we go. Right, so quite weathered, quite scuffed up, and not very pretty. So we're going to replace it with the nice, lovely looking R&G ones. So to get it nice and tight, the actual replaceable crash protection comes off, and this is just a socket where I'm going to just roll it on. I'll tighten it up with an Allen key. This is the engine covers. Obviously, it's in the name again, it covers the engine. So these are the different engine casings. Obviously, each section, there's a different component for that, and then there's one for the other side. So we're just going to get these fitted on now. Next thing to go on is our shock tube. Now basically it just covers up the rear shocker. It keeps all the rubbish off the road, off any salt or anything being thrown up. Now I'm going to get my glamorous assistant to do this because her hands are a lot smaller than mine. So get your hands in there, Seth. Show us your hands, Seth. I'm just going to snip the excess plastic off. There's one. Two. Yep, happy with that. So the last thing we're going to fit is the rear Cotten Reels. Now to do that, I've got to put it on a paddock stand, and I don't fancy putting it on the stand on here, so off it comes. So we're all done now. It's kitted out front to back, top to bottom in R&G crash protection. So if it ever does take a slide, say on the track or something, It's that bit of reassurance, that bit of peace of mind that it's going to have that extra level of protection. So thanks very much, R&G. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, click here, and if you want more videos, click here. But for now, this is Anton Aslant, signing off.